So on your Samsung Galaxy device, a very, very big part of this is actually going through and using it under the Wearable application. So if you find the Samsung Wear app, that's how you can go ahead and use it with something like a Galaxy Watch. That's even how you set it up in the first place. So inside of the Galaxy Wearable application, you'll be able to find a lot of stuff here. So you'll be able to find the battery life of your watch, you'll be able to find kind of what the watch looks like, then you'll be able to find all these little portions at the bottom too. You'll be able to find your, like the notifications, quick panels, tiles, app screens. So you can jump right over here and kind of edit and change a lot of different things here. Same thing under quick panel. If you want to change your quick panel, you can also come right over here and change those particular options here as well. Same thing with tiles. If you want to choose tiles, you can also change your tile layout, your tile setup right over there as well. And then under app screens, you can change how your app screens are showcased, and you can hold down on an application if you want to, and you can move it around. If I want to move this application, I can move it somewhere else and configure it that way. That's another really cool thing you can do. So you have a lot of capability here right inside of this particular application. You can also tap into the three dots up here. If you have more than one watch available, you can tap onto that particular watch app right there. And you can also add a new watch if you already have one, and or delete watches if you want to, just from this page as well. So that's another really cool thing that you have the opportunity of doing here as well. Now, another thing you might be wondering is how you can go through and reset your watch. So let's